If you're moving from San Francisco to Spain, you've probably already started checking items off your list. Maybe you've secured your visa, accepted a job, purchased a home, or booked your flights. Now comes the biggest question. How do you get everything you own safely across the Atlantic? The answer isn't just about putting boxes on a ship. It's about planning. Today, we'll walk through what San Francisco residents should know before shipping household goods to Spain. Every home has its own challenges. Moving from San Francisco is different than moving from many other parts of California. Steep streets, limited parking, apartment buildings, and high-rise condos can all affect moving day. If you live in a building with elevators, your property manager may require advanced reservations. Some buildings also have specific hours when movers are allowed to work. These details might seem minor, but they can make moving day much smoother when you're planning ahead of time. The easier it is to coordinate these logistics. Decide what makes the trip. One mistake people make is assuming they need to ship everything they own. Before packing begins, walk through your home one room at a time and ask yourself a simple question. Will I use this in Spain? Large furniture, sentimental items, artwork, and quality household goods are often worth bringing. Other items may be less practical, especially if they're inexpensive to replace after you arrive. Your relocation specialist can help determine the shipping option that best fits the amount you're taking. Professional packing makes a difference. International shipping is very different from a local move. Your belongings will be handled multiple times before reaching your new home. That's why professional export packing is so important. Experienced crews use materials designed for international transportation and create a detailed inventory as they pack. This not only protects your belongings, but also helps simplify customs processing later in the journey. Don't worry if the ship doesn't leave tomorrow. Many first-time international movers expect their shipment to leave the port immediately after pickup. In reality, there are several steps happening behind the scenes. Documentation is reviewed, inventories are finalized, shipping schedules are coordinated, custom paperwork is prepared. Every shipment follows its own schedule, so transit can vary depending on routing and shipping arrangements. Your relocation specialist can provide the most accurate expectation for your specific move. Shipping household goods from San Francisco to Spain doesn't have to be stressful. With good planning, professional packing, and an experienced international mover, the process becomes much more manageable. If you're preparing for your move, now is the time to ask questions and build a personalized shipping plan. Thanks for listening. To learn more, you can give us a call at 844-651-7050 or visit our website, movertospain.com.